This is a hydraulic pump. This is one of my back pumps to my car. And I'm going to try to open it up, see what's going on in there. Why it's not lifting up. There it is. Damn.
I just don't get into all that too much, and I'm stick.
Whatever you guys need, look them up on eBay. Call him up, you're out of state, whatever, look him up on eBay. He send you some parts. Look at that. Alright guys, we're back. Look like that gear that we were replacing there was broken, so should be ready to go. We're gonna throw it back in, put some oil back in there. We should be ready. Sergio Del Toro Customs helped me out. Thank you, Sergio. And put this puppy back in. We got all the pumps back in. So, once again, thank you, Sergio, for helping me out. But honestly, guys, if you guys doing street show, any kind of setup, try to get to learn a little bit about the pumps, because you might be in a situation where you're gonna have to do some work. If you have hydraulics, eventually you're gonna have to put hands on your setup at some point. So it's always good to learn. Maggie, you wanna say hi? Wanna say hi? No? They're all oiled up, ready to go. Sorry I couldn't show you. I don't have a cameraman or somebody that can hold the phone for me right now. But hopefully it works. Let's see if I can show you guys. If not, like I said, I don't have nobody here to hold the phone, but I'll do my best. Awesome. Looks like we got it going again. And it's working. I'm going to try not to mess with too much until the next show. Hopefully we can keep it in one piece. Hopefully we can make a video. This battery is not connected. It's dead. I just got a new battery, so it'll be a little bit quicker. This car don't hop. It's not meant to. Just to have fun. Little street car. I'll try to clean up the trunk too. I know it looks crazy back there, but we got some time. More time than money for sure.